Hello everyone, good day. I greet you all according to your time wherever you are watching me from. If today is your first time of coming across my channel, it's me, your girl Susan Bless. All you need to do, please subscribe and don't forget to hit on the notification bell so whenever I upload any new videos, you will be notified. Please like and share and don't forget to leave your comment on the comment section. As you do that, may God continue to bless you. All my return subscribers, I thank you all for subscribing. I thank you for your support and everything. May God continue to bless you guys as well. No, it's been long. I've not been able to upload any new videos just because of one or two things. No, school just start now. Before you do this, do that, they don't that. But today I said I must try to do one video. I'm here again to talk about children. I want to talk to some parents about our children. You know, these days, most times I like to talk about children because the Bible says children are the apple of God's eyes and they are the leaders of tomorrow. So what I just want to try to talk is that there are so many parents. They like to look good. They like to wear good things. They like to wear good marker. Any things that just come out, any marker, before you know it, they don't buy them. Any good things, before you know it, they don't buy them. If they are going to party this week, they will wear different. They will wear no the marker they use this week. If they are going to another party next week, they won't want to wear it again. They want to look different. They want to buy another hair. Like for the women, the hair they carry this week, next week they want to carry another hair. It's good though, very very good. Likewise the men, it's good to buy shoes, buy makeup, look good all the time, maintain yourself. I'm not against it. It's very very good for us to look good. But what are you buying for your children? Are you maintaining your children the way you are maintaining yourself? You dey buy the good things for your children just the way you dey buy for yourself. You go want look good, but your children, you no go want buy better thing for them. You dey commonize the things wey you go buy for your children. If you see better marker for market, you no go want buy am because you feel say before you go wear am now, before 2 3 months 4 months to 5 months time, that should not dey size am again, or the cloth no go enter am again. E don big pass am. You go na for you to come buy another one. So because of that one, you no want buy better thing for them. Because of that one, you dey look for cheap things wey you wan buy for your own children. You go see shoe of 50 euro, 10,000 naira for example. You go say no, e too cost. You no go wan buy it because you feel say this before you go wear am, e don grow pass am. Then you go see shoe of 100 euro. You go see shoe of 20,000 naira. You go see shoe of 200 euro. Bag of 200 euro. Yes, people are buying it. For yourself, you go wan buy am. The men, you go see belt of 50 euro. This belt fine oh, na money, na better one oh, na leather, na pure leather. You wan buy am for yourself. Then you come go dey buy some kind clothes wey be say men, if your children even wear am, you yourself you go know say wetin the dress wey your children dress, e no dey, e no join. You go just wan wear them like that. When some of parents, when they are going out with their children, they will just look good. When you see they say this woman, this brother, see how they fine, see how they dress. But when you look at their children will even look as if they are slaves to the parents, because you are not wearing them good things. You are not maintaining them. People wey you see una say go know say yes. People wey know una go say see how this mama, see how they fine, see wetin they wear their children sef. If you are that kind of parents, it's not good. Your children first, no matter anything, your children first. Always buy good things for them if you have the money. If you don't have, if you don't have, don't worry, God will still provide for you. God will provide. God will open doors for you. God will make a way where there is no way for you. But if you have and you keep buying for yourself, you keep buying things that is not supposed, you know, now another way around, you buy good things for yourself, you buy another way around for your children. If you're that type of parents, you better change from it because it's not good. If you think your children don't know, they know. Don't think they don't know. Even if they don't know because they are seeing kicks, people are seeing you. People are seeing you. People are watching. There are some parents say, if at all I not look good, if at all I not wear better clothes, but my children must put on the best. God bless you. You are really a parent. But if you are a parent and you like to buy good things for your children, but you don't have that money, God will provide for you. God will open doors for you. But if you are a parent and you have, all you know now yourself. Now you all you don't know all of your children. Not to even talk of say you go know another person. Oh, you never fit your whole finish. You never fit your children finish. I want to fit another person's children. You go hard now. So please try. And in anything you are doing, always put your children for the first. When you see better thing, before you buy for yourself, if you have the money, first of all buy for your children. It's good. You can still look good, but let your children always look good. There are some parents, they don't dress well, but when you go see their pikin, they will say, see the clothes, this true you wear your pikin so now Lord, you will say yes, so and they suffer because of them, so they need to look good. When they will go say, and they suffer because of their beds, the thing, all the resources na their pocket they go, they not even they think of the children. Not on the children, never don't grow. You know go want buy better thing for them. No. Even newborn baby of 1 month said they see better marker for them. Not to talk of baby we don't see grow, we don't see the waka. You don't feel buy a better thing. It's not good. If you are that kind of parents, it's not good. I'm not here to insult anybody. I just here to talk to most of our parents, most parents. If you know what you are doing is not right, it's never too late. You can still change. Buy good things for your children if you have the money. If you don't have, God will provide for you. And if you be buying good things for your children, may God continue to bless you. May God continue to open doors for you. You will never lack any good thing. And everything you use to take care of those children, God will use them to supply you. Let us always take good care of our children. May we take care of them. May we buy them better thing. If the money dey, may we buy them. When you go even wear your pikin some clothes, and you yourself when you go see and you say, you even dey gbadu your pikin, you dey like am, you go dey love am. When you go even wear some children, there are some children say when you go even wear their clothes, they will say they don't like am. But when you go wear the children, they know better thing too. They know. Just that they don't have that money, they can't just go to market and buy it for themselves. So you as a parent, and you need to buy it for them. God will bless you. God will provide for you. Everything you use to take care of those children, as I said earlier, God will most definitely bless you with them. He must definitely bless you with them. Because He's our Father. He's our Father. He say, ask and it shall be given. If you never get, ask Baba God. He go give you. Okay. Thank you all. May the Lord continue to bless all parents. Being you having or you don't have, God will continue to bless you. But remember, buy good things for your children when you have the money. If you not get, you know if you go thief. If you not get, you cannot do otherwise. The little you have, you buy the things you feel still buy for them. But what concerns me is those that have the money. They get them. Waiting that they tell say they get them, but they know they like to spend that for their pikin. They like to buy for themselves. They go they buy yeah things for their children. When they go they buy better things for themselves. Now those kind of people I just they talk to. You have to change. Quit from it is not good. Start buying good things for your children. You never feel buy good things for your pikin finish. How you want to buy for another person? There are some clothes that your children will even put on. Better one. If you not sell them again, there are people you will dash them. You will dash the clothes today. They will be happy. Clothes will not decide your children. People they will go feel still give if na better clothes. If you can't come buy better things for them before your children don't wear and don't turn to cro, it don't spoil. How you want to give heart? Give a heart to people that need. You cannot give heart because you don't buy good things for them. How are you going to give heart to others? It will hard though. So our lovely parents, I beg, make we try dey buy better thing for our children, so that when our children don still wear am, say e no dey enter dem again, we fit still carry those clothes, wash am, iron am, put perfume, still give the next people wey still dey in need of it. And there are people wey you go give all those things, they go dey pray for you all the day. They go dey bless you because you bless them. So if you no buy better thing for your children, before your children no wear am, e don spoil. Before they wear am for 5 days, krokro don enter. If still enter, no dey comot again, because no be better one. If na better one, you go wear am, krokro, e no go enter. You go still, e no go size your pikin, you still carry, you still wash am, iron am, put perfume. Find person wey still near you, wey you know say may you fit still give to, wey go still size the pikin. Na so life be. So, my beloved parents, let us always try to make our children look good. If you don't have it, as I said earlier, if you don't have the money to buy good things for your children, don't do otherwise. God will provide for you. But if you have it, please try and do the best. And may God continue to bless you all in Jesus' name. Thank you. See you guys. See you all in my next video. Bye.
Wait. You don't laugh finish, you just want the wrong go. No, now press that red button to subscribe. Yes, that red button, press on to subscribe. Now, yeah, press that bell. That school bell, press on to the get our notification. Now, if you dey go, thank you. A lawyer.